One thing I wish churches knew about content creation, huh? I wish churches knew that they could easily post more with less effort. How so? Simply post the same types of posts each week. Subscribe below and we'll see you next week. That's it. Okay, I'm kidding. Let's go on. Although please do subscribe if this sounds helpful for you or your community because we post this kind of thing every week. Let's keep going. See, posting the same types of posts each week for your community's social media pages and accounts means that you have to give less time to deciding what to post each week. That means less time designing. It means less time guessing what people are going to interact with. You make those decisions ahead of time, often based on your current analytics of what your people are already interacting with well. And then you commit to that system. Do you need an example? Let's say that you decide to make one post every single day. That's a good level of consistency for you and your community. And yes, you can not only batch the work on these posts ahead of time, but actually schedule them ahead of time so you don't have to be posting these every single day, even though you're posting every single day. So Monday, you post a quote from Sunday's sermon, just a chunk of text in a pre-designated format that you decide ahead of time looks great. Maybe you even design 2 or 3 formats ahead of time or find 2 or 3 templates ahead of time so you have some styles to rotate. But it's still just one type of post every Monday, quote post. Now Tuesday, you actually pull some footage from that sermon video that you recorded. You take out 20 to 40 seconds and post it on Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Don't forget your captions. Boom, short form video, done. On Wednesdays, you do a video check-in. Again, this is not prescriptive, this is just an example. Your video check-in could be on Facebook, on YouTube, on Instagram stories, whatever makes sense for you and your community. But you follow that same format every single week. Maybe you even answer the same 1 or 2 questions every single week on this day. This is just a way for people to get to know you a little better outside of your regular teaching or preaching. Thursdays, behind the scenes. At this point in the week, there's bound to be at least one thing that happened in your life that you can tell people about. It could be a story that happened with the office staff that week, or perhaps there was an event or activity that was held in your building or in the local community and you want to tell people about it through photo or video. Which brings us to Friday. Teach us something in some way. It could be Fun Fact Friday. It could be a video, it could be other people, it doesn't have to be just you. Make it churchy, make it nothing to do with church, it doesn't matter. You're showing up, people are getting to know you. And on Fridays, maybe they learn something too. Saturday, keep it light, maybe a GIF, maybe a meme. It could also be just a general message of encouragement. Remind your people to rest, and then get some rest yourself. Sundays, yes, you can post related to worship. You can post the service, you can post the sermon, and heck, you can make those announcement posts that I know we often tell you not to make a lot of, but you still need to tell people about the good stuff your community is doing. We just don't want those to be the only posts you are making. And somehow, we're already back at Monday. By implementing systems and routines into your content creation, your community can make more posts with less effort. For a more in-depth look at your digital communications, join us in our new DIY Do-It-Yourself Digital Communications Review course, where we will walk you through what needs to be on your church website, how to use multiple popular social media platforms, tips for creating engaging content, instruction for how to use video for your faith community, and so much more. I'm Sammy with Digivangelism. Don't forget to subscribe below, and we'll see you here next time. Peace.